welcome back to Cooking In with Joyce Lynn. Today I brought some milk from the Milky Way, a galaxy very close to us, and my special ray gun along with my friend Crystal Man.
Hi everybody! I'm from the 23rd century, just come by to visit. Oh, I just had a psychic flash. I think you're probably wondering what's in these tubes, aren't you?
What are in those tubes?
Well, they are absolutely nothing, but you've got that ray gun.
This ray gun will make some milk for you.
Oh, wow! You did it!
Yes!
Wow.
Now, let's see if we can make the milk.
Wow. We can do some milk. We can do some milk
More?
with this. More?
Yes, I'm going to be cooking with a lot of milk.
Wow! You made more!
Yes!
Ooh. Believe it or not, we got more milk than we're gonna need. Uh-huh.
Awesome! Are you ready to get started?
We can't get any more milk?
Well, we've got too much milk. It'll get sour if we keep making it. We don't make it just for fun.
Well, what about what about the dog? The dog likes milk. Can we make a little bit more milk for Cookie? Yay! You did it! You are just so generous. So let me move these out of your way. Okay, because I know you want to cook right there.
I'll just take one of them.
Yes.
And I'll take a chocolate.
Oh, we love chocolate. Oh, boy.
I'm going to make today two kinds of shakes. Milkshakes. And I got my glasses ready and my little blender. So, in the blender, I'm going to put ice cream. Now, this is a two-toned ice cream. One side is chocolate and one side is vanilla. Isn't that handy?
Wow.
So, I'm going to put a couple scoops of vanilla. And I think it's great to use fresh strawberries. So I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to put about a cup of fresh strawberries. All inside. Whoops. And here's my trick. If strawberries aren't specifically sweet, I take strawberry jam, and instead of putting sugar, I put strawberry jam.
If you're diabetic, you might want to think about this recipe.
Oh.
I mean, that's an awful lot of sugar there.
No, there's not, because the strawberries aren't sweetened.
What about the ice cream?
Yeah, but there's not that much ice cream. It's calcium. Now, I pour my milk. Now, the difference between a milkshake and a malt is malted milk. So if I want to make a malt, I'm going to put some malted milk. But I think I'm just going to make a shake with the strawberries and I put the malted milk in the chocolate. Because I like chocolate malt.
I love chocolate.
It's
I
so
can't wait
good.
for that part.
And so then, now here's another trick too, if you want to make it thicker and you don't want to put so much sugar. You can also use bananas. I like to put bananas in, but first I'm going to see how much we have here. Now, see, there's still a space, so I can put
that's a good blender.
a very ripe banana.
Oh my God, a banana
And you know
too.
the banana trick of peeling from the bottom. That's how you do it. So you can just stick this in. And this will give it more body so it won't be so heavy with sugar because there's natural sugar in the banana. Isn't that fast?
Oh man, I can't wait to try that.
Okay, so then I'm going to pour it in my glass. Oops, there was one. And to make it look pretty, we're going to take some whipped cream, put it on top.
Oh God, that looks so good.
And then cover it with a cute little strawberry.
One strawberry for the
And
road. And a straw.
a beautiful straw. So that's our first milkshake. Now, for the next milkshake,
Oh my gosh, let me move this out of the way. He might
I'm
want
going
to get
to
a
make-
close-up of that. That looks scrumptiously good.
do you want to see that one?
Yeah.
So now, I'm going to have to put this in another cup.
Well, I could actually drink it for you if you want to get rid of it. I will be glad to help. It's my job here to help, right? Here's to you and here's to me. And if we should ever disagree, well, here's to me.
Is that delicious?
Oh my God.
Now,
Oh, you have no
There it
idea
is.
how good this is.
well, I'm sure I'll find out. Let me just get a towel.
Wow.
Okay, so now I could rinse this out, but it doesn't really matter. Do you know, if they make a mistake when they make ice cream, they just turn it to chocolate because chocolate covers all the different flavors. Okay, so I'm going to put chocolate. And would you like to hand the chocolate milk?
Yeah. We finish up the strawberry.
It must be good that you can't stop.
Good,
Okay.
I can't stop until it runs out.
Okay, so we're going to put scoops of this.
That's good to the last drop.
And I'm going to put 2 bananas because this is a chocolate banana. What I do is when the bananas get overripe, it's great for making shakes and smoothies because it's got more sugar when it's ripe like this. And I just put it in the refrigerator. And it doesn't look like it tastes good, but when you put it in the shake, it's better actually.
Yeah, that looks downright ugly, that one.
Didn't say that about you. That's not
I was
nice.
talking about the
You can
banana.
apologize to my banana. Okay. Now, there's 2 kinds of milk. We have also chocolate almond milk, and we have the regular milk. So you can use whatever you like. Can you open this? Take the top off. Or if not, I'll use the other one.
Boy.
I know, right? And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of malted milk in it.
Okay.
This is so good. 1,
I think they could find a better way of putting cap in their milk.
2.
Not that it's going to affect the food any, but
No, it's going to be good.
we'll make it easier. to
Malted
open.
milk is so delicious. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is going to be so good. Okay. Now I'm going to put the top on. This is good. Okay.
Are we going to try that too?
I guess we are.
Oh boy. I got the best job in the world.
Let me get you another little glass.
If it was up to me, I'd just pour it right in on this one. But I'm rather uncouth. See?
Oh, that's true. You already have one.
Yeah, they look good. Yeah, put it right in there. I don't know.
So then I could try one.
Oh my God, that's even better. I didn't think that it could beat the first one. But this is chocolate.
Okay, that's it. Now we have to cover. Put cream on the top. And for a cute little end, I've got these little chocolate, wafers. If you wanted to make like a cookie shake, you can actually crumble these and stick those in. Isn't that cute?
You know, you make them look so appetizing.
So, we've got a chocolate and we've got a strawberry. Maybe I'll put one more strawberry, it makes it cuter. Isn't that cute? So, we made a strawberry shake, and if you want to add more flavor, sometimes I put mango juice.
Mango?
There's a mango.
Oh my God, that
And then you
sounds
get
good.
strawberry mango
Oh!
and chocolate banana. So,
Oh, I'm sure glad I came back to this century, because we don't have this in the future. Somehow or another they lost out up there.
you gotta have
This is great.
malts and
Oh, yes.
milkshakes, right? So you're getting your calcium, but you're also getting a lot of flavor.
Oh, yeah, I just had a psychic flash.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
do a psychic flash.
need more of that stuff to drink.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
I think.
What do you
There
got?
we go.
Oh, there.
Okay, well, let's go over what we used.
Yeah.
We used ice cream
Ice cream,
and
strawberries, and milk,
banana,
and banana,
and this one,
chocolate, ice cream, milk, whipped cream, and banana. No strawberries though.
and malted milk.
Oh, they of course malted milk.
And we used strawberry preserves.
Yes.
Strawberry preserves instead of sugar. I think it's better because it gives it more of that strawberry taste, which makes it better, don't you think?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so let's, put the milk over here and the milk over here. And so you have a choice. Or you can have them both, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So thank you so much for joining us on Cooking In with Joyce Lynn
Oh, yeah.
and
Yeah,
our
thank
trip
you.
down the Milky Way.
Well, what are we going to do with this? All these other milk bottles now? Do you think we can make them disappear?
Well,
I don't know. And put this one in here. Nope, didn't work. It only works one way. It doesn't work in reverse.
oh
boy.
brother. Okay. What's your next trick?
Well,
No, don't pile them.
what's that?
It might break.
Oh,
Okay.
see, if you know how to work the gun, I made them disappear. Look, I bet you I could do that again. Put this one in here, put this one in here,
I make mine appear and you make disappear.
made it disappear again. Yeah. Let's see, how about this one here? So we got one here. Nope, made it disappear. No matter what I put in there, if I give it a squirt, it disappears.
You're ruining my supply.
Oh. And what have we got? Nothing! Hey, I made...
Now, can I make you disappear?
Yeah, okay. Okay. But goodbye, I'm disappearing.
Join us on Cooking In with Joyce Lynn. And this summer, here's 2 sweet ways to have a treat. You can have this anytime, but we like to do it with our summer cookouts. So hope you have a great summer, and we'll see you next time on Cooking In with Joyce Lynn.